Hey, what's up, Wix coin holder? Wix coin holder, what's going on this time? Absolutely, the condition is very critical now. Absolutely, every coin were very badly falls down. So, what we will need to get a profit and how we can earn money from crypto. Therefore, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. So, keep touch with us if you earn money from crypto. Absolutely, ABS section or one of the unique YouTube channel today will give you just an only advice video, not a financial video. So, please just and only subscribe this channel, my friend. This time Wix coin condition is very critical now. In last 7 days, minus 8.83% fails down. Definitely this is not a short fail. Absolutely, it's very huge fail, my friend. And don't worry, after this fail at 100%, my friend, proof I will give you, my friends, to they will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you to why they will pumps up and can really they will pump up or not. I just going to explain now, my friend. Please, Wix coin holder, this time as you can see here, please try to focus here. As you can see, my friend, short fails, but after that they will pumps up. So you can see they were again slowly fails down, but after that I'm 100% sure they will take a very huge pump now. So everybody try to understand. You can see, my friend, they will absolutely hit now the resistance line. So therefore absolutely this coin will completely on the profit. And if a coin will never fails down from resistance line, so that's 100% proof, my friends, to they will completely on the profit. My friend, this time you can see here the 0.3 USD dollar is the highest price, but don't worry, my friend. You can see here the price will fails down, but don't worry. You can see here the price will come down to 0.28 USD dollar. It's temporary and very short fails. I hope, my friends, they will again pumps up and get a profit. So here, as you can see, my friend, the Wix coin price were fails down, but don't worry, my friend. Everybody know this too. After a fail, every coin will pumps up, because every coin will moving in this circulation. To after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So please, holder, if you are understand, this is very good now, my friend. Please, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, I think this time Wix coin is very good now. Invest for just an only, my friend, 15 days. It's mean to my friends to sell it at the end of month. I hope, my friends, Wix coin will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.